guys, I got the diff up in place. Got it almost lined up in the back over here with the 2 bolts that are gonna go in. And then we have the front area for the left side, and then we have the same one on the right side. There's a crossbar that goes up there, and I'm just gonna start bolting these in. 2 bolts over here, and we'll get to that after. So we got the bolt started in the bottom here. There's the other one at the top. I'm also using blue Loctite just to be safe. So we got the 2 bolts in, we got them marked, and also use blue Loctite. You guys can see there. I'm gonna come back, take a look, and make sure nothing is moved. And that's it. Let's go to the front. Hey guys, so we have the front cross member here that supports this diff from this side here and this side, and just have to get these long bolts to go through, and then the nut is on the other side right there. You can see the nut, so that's loose. The bar is loose, it's in place. Let me see if I can move it. Okay guys, so the front support bar is in right here. It's mounted with this big bolt on this side. We got the other bolt right here on the other side. Just fed the nut on each side. Next we'll just mount the diff to the cross member using all these washers. There's a bunch of them.